Let me see.
Got a black one. Look.
Yeah, thank you, Grandma.
And look at that one with the red one.
Oh yeah, let's go get that. He said film it for YouTube.
I like it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the red one.
Look how tall he is.
You see it
What'd
like
you get,
that.
Jacob?
What you get?
What's in there?
Look at that ant.
There's a black ant and a red ant. And you can see the red ant with the magnifying
You
glass.
have to-
Real cool.
You have to talk to the camera, so when you put it on YouTube.
I like it.
Yeah? What did Daddy get for you?
He got me 2 ants,
2 ants?
and he thinks I'm gonna have an ant farm.
You want an ant farm?
No, he thinks I'm gonna have an ant
Yeah,
farm.
Shabby said forget it. I said she don't want no ants in her house.
So we're on a family hike today. Right?
Yeah.
Hiking today. Ants.
What do you have,
Show
Skylar?
Titi. Show Titi so you can see it on YouTube. Look.
Let me see.
No.
What do you mean, no? You don't want to look at it on YouTube? Okay.
I saw for a few
It was
seconds.
white, right?
I saw for a few seconds and it looked pretty big.
We're just finishing off the hike now. We didn't see any alligators today, but when we came yesterday, we did. So we'll see what we'll do now. Maybe we'll go on the drive for the wildlife or get something to eat. Cool.
How is it, Jacob? Pretty cool?
Yeah, pretty cool.
That's nice.
Turtles on the box.
Yeah, where?
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Jacob over there.
oh my God.
You don't step up there.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
That's the water there. You don't step there.
Come this way, Mama.
Come.
Oh, they're going for a swim soon.
Hopefully they make it before it's dark.
Wildlife.
See it in there?
Is it still alive? Look at it, it's crawling.
I like how they're just sitting there and like,
The black ant, you see?
I need my
Yeah, the
tan.
ant is dead. They want an ant farm in your house.
No, you better get rid of that. That's all I'm saying. Come this way, come. Wanna go eat hot dogs? Wanna eat hot dogs?
Dogs are us. Let's go.
Hot dogs and french fries. Look how pretty they are. You see them? Come, Mama.
No.
Hold them. Hold the leaves. Come. Come.
I'm gonna break it.
No, she's not gonna break it, Papa. Look what I got for you.
I want that flower.
Come, do you wanna come with Mommy and get more?
I want more.
So what'd you think about the hike?
Very interesting. I mean, I didn't see the gator on this one. I saw it when we took the drive,
Yeah.
and the little baby alligators.
Well,
The kids seem to enjoy it. Now they're picking flowers from the habitat that they said do not touch. Do not change the habitat.
what'd you get?
I got flowers.
Jacob don't wear anything but slippers.
No, he always wears shoes.
What'd you get? Let me see.
Yeah, I like it. Nice. Everything.
No.
Wow, let me see.
Nice. I like it.
Put a
Mmm,
flower in the book.
smells
I
good.
haven't hugged you today.
I think
Wow. Wow. Touch. What's he eating?